See the tree, how big it's grown, but friend, it hasn't been too long. It wasn't big. I laugh at her and she gets mad. The birthday that she planted here was just a twig. And then the first snow came and she ran out to brush the snow away so it wouldn't die. Came running in, all excited, slipped and almost hurt herself, and I laughed till I cried. She was always young at heart, kinda dumb and kinda smart, and I love her so. And I surprised her with a puppy, kept me up all Christmas Eve 2 years ago. And it would sure embarrass her when I came in from working late, 'cause I wouldn't know that she'd been sitting there and crying over some sad and silly late show. And honey, I miss you, and I'm been good, and I love to be with you. If only I could. She wrecked the car and she was sad and so afraid that I've been mad. But what the heck? Should I pretend hard to be? Guess you could say she's so to me and hug my neck. I came home unexpectedly and caught her crying needlessly in the middle of the day. And it was in the early spring when flowers bloom and robin sings. She went away. And honey, I miss you, and I'm being good, and I love to be with you. If only I could. One day while I was not at home, while she was there and all alone, the angels came. Now all I have is memory of Annie, and I wake up nights and call her name. Now my life's an empty stage where honey lived and honey played, and love grew up. And a small cloud passes overhead and cries down on the flower bed that honey loved. And see the tree, how big it's grown, that friend, it hasn't been too long. It wasn't big. And I laugh at her and she get mad. The first day that she planted it was just a twig. Thank you very much. This song is dedicated to all of the Kabebe, especially to Jennifer de Guzman, Japinas, Booming, Philippines, Ismisan TV, Ren Gold Channel, Ras Abercas, and all of the above. Live blogs, Lot Lot Channel, Let's journey random. Boy naton, anahaban, imtong channel. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagsuporta sa aking munting channel dito sa YT. God bless you all. Bye-bye.